we can.
Hey, squirrels. It's Donnie. You guys ever heard of the MadDog? MadDog. 9 million Scoville. Spicy, 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 spicy. We did the one chip challenge. The Marine Corps versus the Navy. The Navy failed horribly. So 1-0. There's a Navy guy right here supporting the Navy.
About to whoop his ass in this one.
We have
He's
hating it. So we did
we have
the
an additional member.
we did the just toothpick challenge. It was spicy, but we doused a gusher. So let's go.
You doused a gusher.
Gizmo, no.
You only one. Michael! Get back on my uncle's, my dad's fixing to.
I'm gonna use these three.
Looks like they're finally gonna do it.
So Marine Corps, Navy.
Scoot in, babe.
I won the last challenge, the one tip challenge.
I'm sad to say.
He's gonna lose this one too.
I'm sad to say.
Shit's spicy.
Look, he's already nervous. And I'm
Hey.
gonna lose.
It's hot.
Oh yeah,
I'm
it's
sweating.
hot.
I'm sweating. This is my nephew, Jaden, 12 years old. He's got one, just not as much.
Can I ask
Can
you,
we see it?
are we literally about to be insane?
We're about to be insane because it says right here, do not consume directly. Sig Squirrels is for you. Go Marine Corps. F the Navy. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Carlo.
Told you. I got him on this one.
Nope.
Nobody spit it out. That's good. No, I'll just spit it out. It's the rules.
The rest of the back spit it.
There's the heat.
Here goes. I don't know if you guys ever done these challenges.
They're insane.
9 million Scoville.
Robert's already red and his eyes are puffing up.
Well, it's hot.
Jaden's doing good.
The world's hottest stuff you can buy. Whew. Any Marines on this page? Doing it for y'all. Secret Squirrels. Love you guys.
That's hot.
The Navy sucks.
Oh, that's hot.
Whew.
Navy sucks.
Oh.
Marines suck.
I'm just saying, Jaden's smoking both of you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he is.
How you doing, buddy?
Not good.
He said not good.
Who?
Shannon said you could do it, babe.
Yeah, she said.
He has faith in you. Don't let Donnie beat
sweating a little
you
bit,
again.
I'm good.
What's up, Gizmo?
If you guys like hot sauce, $110
Jaden, the more you breathe in like that, the hotter it's
for
going to
1
get.
ounce. $110. It's worth it.
You hurt my toe.
It's spicy.
$110 for this. 9
good?
million skull.
Good.
I'm good. I'm good.
Babe, you're as
How
red
you
as your
doing?
shirt.
How you doing, buddy?
I'm dying.
You're dying. Woo! I got your back.
You should take your hat off.
I'm bald.
Hi.
I think the Navy's failing again.
I'm still
Nope.
shaking.
He probably gave you more.
No, he picked it.
Yeah, even Shannon said, take off your hat.
Your arm feeling better?
That way we can see your face.
You can see my face.
No, you can't. You're hiding it. Like
Yeah.
a doofus.
I feel like I just got butt spanking.
I'm good.
My dad.
You
Public
feel like you
TV,
got his
please be
butt
quiet.
shaken.
I'm good.
It's hot.
Hey,
They're gonna be thrown up later.
MadDog challenge. Marine Corps versus the Navy.
First is
Navy lost the one chip challenge. To yours truly.
You keep hiding your face. Take off your hat.
This is spicy. I'm looking down at my live. Go Marine Corps. Go Secret Squirrels. We got this.
Sorry, sailors, I ain't losing this one.
He's sweating.
He's crying, too.
He's crying.
But I'm in
It's
it.
hot.
And I ain't stopping.
It's hot.
I feel like Donnie
How you
hasn't
been?
stopped talking. So I feel like he's hurting the worst.
I mean, I'm hurting a little bit.
He's getting squeaky.
It's not bad though.
I'm
What are you guys doing
wins.
tonight? Saturday night, we decided to do the one chip challenge, the MadDog challenge, 9 million Scoville.
Alright.
Let me tell
I'm
you,
gonna hang it up.
it's nothing to mess around
See
with.
you on Monday.
Oh,
It's
Shannon said BS. I don't think so. I wouldn't pay that.
$100, $110 for 1 ounce. Let me tell you. Ooh, it's good.
Babe, you
doing?
okay?
Good.
I'm good.
How you doing? Love you guys.
They're not okay.
They're not.
We're not okay. It's dripping. It's dripping. But we're good. You need some ocean water?
How you doing,
We
Jaden?
need some ocean water for him.
He just
fine.
I need some
There's
bananas
cute
for him.
people right there.
Bananas.
Say hi.
I got this.
Say hi.
Love you guys. I'm good.
She don't care.
You wiping your nose?
Nose is running a little bit.
Yeah, I'm good though. I'm ready.
I feel better.
Science is opening up.
So you guys ready to do another one then?
Then we're ready to do another one.
Right now?
Because
Yeah, eat another one. Right
Yeah,
now.
eat another one right now.
another one.
Yep. I challenge you.
I feel like puking
Do it.
during that.
I
and-
do.
For all those that just called in,
Jeremiah, go grab another
did the Mad Dog
gusher.
challenge.
If you do it with us,
Oh shit, my sister.
I'll do another one. You have to do it right now with us.
I'll do another
Yeah,
one.
big nope.
Can we do it? My twin sister. She's making fun of us.
All right, fine. But with my heart condition,
good.
you could only do
Secret Squirrels,
toothpick.
love you guys. All
Wait,
military.
Keep it alive.
Yeah.
Oh, why?
So,
Do it again?
yeah, do it again.
Whew.
Am I getting another small one or a
We're
big
gonna
one?
eat another one.
You alright?
I feel like that's my
Going up?
I'm good now.
Yeah, you just needed to burp a little
That was
bit.
it.
Oh.
I feel like burping.
Shannon said, go Navy.
Alright, love you guys.